Hello, my name is Cinnamon Denise, and congratulations on making it to the mat today. This practice is geared towards our friends who may have had a knee replacement, knee surgery, or just have sensitive knees. Our knees take a beating, so we're going to be kind and gentle to our knees today with love, yoga, and music. Namaste.
You can use a chair for this practice. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up and overhead, and exhale, down to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold over the legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up and overhead. And exhale, hands on the back of your chair as you allow the chest to drop down between the shoulders. Release the shoulders, breathe freely. Allow the chest to open. You can bend and straighten the legs. Bend and straighten the legs. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, release the neck. And release the hands down to the feet. Inhale, arms up and overhead, hands at heart center. You can take a step closer to your chair. Hold on to the back of the chair and inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Just continue this movement. Bending at the knee, lifting the leg, using the chair for balance. Inhale, lift the left leg up and hold. You can hold onto the chair here, or you can take the hands at heart center into prayer. And if you're feeling it, you can take the hands up and overhead, straightening through the arms, holding your balance. This is strengthening the ankles. Exhale, bring the leg down. Inhale, right leg up. And the same as the other side, hands can come to heart center. And inhale, the hands up and overhead. You can flex through the right foot to engage your balance. Exhale, everything down. Inhale, slight back bend. Hands back to heart center. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right leg down. Inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Close off the eyes and breathe here. Namaste.